What up, it's Dirty Dan, Dan the Man, and I'm back with another video. So I'm doing an intro to a video that I did. Well, it's not really a video, it's lots of different parts that I'm putting together because I haven't uploaded anything since I got in the M6. And I've done a few things to the M6. I added a carbon fiber diffuser, a carbon fiber lip that I just added today. I went and got a new key made, so it's like the new style key because I had the old bulky one. So this is the key that I have. I updated the maps on the infotainment system to 2023. I ended up painting the wheels a different color as well. I also ended up getting a ticket. I got pulled over for downshifting with the burble tune that it has. I just haven't recorded anything till now. I want to get back into recording and posting content like all the time. I also have a video with my friends where we were eating exotic snacks, and also haven't uploaded that. So I'm gonna try to get everything done right now, and from there I'm gonna keep posting more videos. And I found my head mount, so I'll probably do another Canyon video when I go out with my boys. But I don't know, I guess I just been lazy to record because the car is there. Still have the Audi as well. Still got to show you guys the Audi because I ended up putting a new grille on it. Calipers got a new different color. Still debating if I should keep both, but it's just like adding premium into both kind of sucks. That's pretty much it. It's just, I think that's it. So enjoy whatever I recorded, and happy Thanksgiving, guys. Hope you guys had a good Thanksgiving. Driving this car up here is so much fun. Way too much fun, guys. Drifted, guys. So I'm over here with my boy, and this is the CL63. As you guys know, this is one of like my ultimate dream cars. I had one, but mine's just a shit box compared to this one. This one drives smooth. You guys know I love that window. That one, the window doesn't go down. He had the carbon diffuser. I didn't have that. It looks so clean and silver. I ended up breaking the front lip. Two of my dream cars together. you guys ever driven a Cullinan, they feel amazing. Those shits are nice. Big body. Heads-up display, road closure, and they're adding up a new carbon fiber lip into the M6 because the other one was like destroyed. And I'm at my father-in-law's house, and it was super hard to get in. It's steep. There's almost no clearing. It looks clean though.